For these examples, we need to find what is called the nth term, which is going to be a very specific term placement in the sequence using the rule for arithmetic sequences. So in number 7, we're looking for the 15th term. That means n here is 15. To use our rule, we need an a sub 1, we need a value of n, and we need a value of d. So let's figure out what d is going to be. We already know this is arithmetic. We're not here to check and see. We just need to figure out what d is. So to get from 32 to 25, we would subtract 7. You can also check to make sure that still works for the rest of your values, but since we already know this is arithmetic, that's not necessary. So our value of d is negative 7. Then our first term, a sub 1, is 32. So we're looking for the 15th term, meaning n is 15. So I'm going to look for a sub 15, where I know a sub 1 is 32, plus my value of n is 15 minus 1, times the value of d, which was negative 7. To simplify this right-hand side, we've got 32 plus 14 times negative 7, which would be 32 minus 98, which is negative 66. So that means that the 15th term in this sequence, if we were to keep subtracting 7 over and over and over again until we got to the 15th term, we would end up at negative 66. Now we need to find the 11th term, so n is 11, where our sequence is negative 3, negative 5, negative 7, negative 9. How do we get from negative 3 to negative 5? We subtract 2, and we're going to do that exact same subtraction throughout the entire sequence. That means our value of d is negative 2. Using our rule, we need a sub 11. We know our first term is negative 3, plus n is 11 minus 1 times negative 2, which was our value of d. To simplify this, we have negative 3 plus 10 times negative 2, which is negative 3 minus 20, so the 11th term would get us to negative 23.